Meet Todd and his beloved bike. See that smile on his face? It's because of me. I transformed his bike into a 750-watt electrified force of nature. And here's our origin story.
Should I finally get it?
There goes my bonus.
You don't need an expensive e-bike.
Who are you?
I'm Kamingo, a bike bot that's about to transform your regular bike to an e-bike.
Ah, I'm late again.
All good, Todd. Just install me in your bike. It'll take 3 minutes.
You sure?
I'll time you. Motor, battery, controller, done. Let's start with cruise mode. No pedaling required.
Cool feature, but I've got a whole city to get through. I'm running out of time.
No worries, bro. I got you. In assist mode, my motor supercharges your legs. So hills, effortless.
Whoa, it's like I have robo legs.
That's kind of the point, so let's roll. I crack myself up sometimes.
But what if I just want to ride it normally?
Switch to standby mode. I'm so light you'll forget I'm there. But I kind of think you need my help today. Todd.
What now?
Bluetooth lock. Pronto.
Oh man, oh man, oh man. I still gotta catch the train.
Embrace the pressure, Todd. Like I do. Applying just the right amount to maximize velocity while keeping your tires safe. And compared to an e-bike, I'm light. See? You made it.
Almost there. We good on battery?
Just over 90 kilometers of range. No stress. So just throttle up and let it rip.
Whoa. I made it. Thanks, Kamingo.
All good. Trade offer. 10 seconds to store me safely and I don't get stolen. Sweat-free, handsome, you got this.
Love these. And you're on time. What a surprise. Did you rush?
No need, just cruise. You look amazing, by the way.
You toy?
This turned my normal bike into an e-bike.
So you're not going to buy a new e-bike?
No need.
I want to try it. Let's race.
It's a new chapter in your life, Todd. Welcome to BikeBot life. By the way, it's Kamingo, as in come and go. I should be a comedy droid.
Welcome to a world of markerless 3D scanning with the REVOPOINT TRACKIT. It's a smart, productivity-multiplying, optical tracking 3D scanning system. Powered by accurate blue laser technology. Housed in a robust, one-piece carbon fiber frame, ensuring reliable accuracy. Twinned with a dual-camera base station, creating a fully integrated system that simplifies complex scans. Seamlessly capture every nook and cranny of small to large workpieces with outstanding accuracy. Supercharge your workflows, skipping time-consuming preparation. Scan fast with 30 cross-line lasers. And capture holes and crevices with single line mode. Easily capture large workpieces from every angle, smoothly leapfrogging the base station. The smart anchor system enables airtight frame stitching, while creating exceptionally detailed 3D models. Take full control of your scanning and editing in the powerful and free software RevoScan. Integrate Revo Measure into your workflow, letting you rapidly extract measurement data and compare it to CADs. Export your data in formats supported by all major professional 3D software. Effortlessly integrate TRACKIT into your workspace to undertake complex scans. It even works as a handheld, standalone 3D scanner. Skip long and manual calibration processes, avoiding human errors with TRACKIT's automated calibration system. It ensures successful calibrations while cutting the time by over 50% to around 20 minutes. Efficient, accurate, markerless 3D scans are at your fingertips with the REVOPOINT TRACKIT.
This is CARGOMATE, the stylish bike rack with the muscle to support all your transportation needs. Now nominated by the world's biggest bike show for the Eurobike Award 2025. Designed to fit almost any bike and handlebar type, CARGOMATE is your reliable, good-looking companion for short city spins, daily commutes, long tours, or even bikepacking escapes. Installation, a breeze. No tools, no guesswork. 30 seconds till ready to roll.
Hello bikers! Today I would like to present you CARGOMATE, a bike rack that's got style for days and supports you in all your transportation needs. We've designed it to fit almost any bike and all handlebar types. CARGOMATE is your safe and uncomplicated companion for a short trip into town or to work, for long journeys or when bikepacking. To match your style and your bike, you can have it in shiny silver or semi-matte black. We also offer you 6 stylish colors for the frame cover. Plus, great colors for the bungee cord, so you can personalize your CARGOMATE if you like. CARGOMATE features a clever and easy-to-use attaching system. With a 30-second tool-free installation, you're ready to go in no time. Let me show you. You place your CARGOMATE on the center of your handlebars. Thread in the attachment loop, lower the carrier and fasten it with the fixation strap. That's it. The shape of the frame tips ensures self-alignment to the angle of the bike stem. With our adjustable attachment loop, you can adjust CARGOMATE to fit your bike perfectly. It's smart and eco-friendly. Other systems send you a whole load of parts, most of which you throw away because they don't fit your bike. We've given our frame eyelets a dual function. On the one hand, the bungee cords go through the eyelets and hold them in place. On the other hand, we have chosen the shape, angle and position so that you can use the eyelets as attachment hooks for bungee cords or lashing straps. This gives you countless possibilities for attaching a wide variety of items to your CARGOMATE.
Crafted with a high-flex stainless steel one-piece frame, it offers both durability and a sleek, sporty look. At just 670 grams, CARGOMATE is light enough for every adventure, yet strong enough to carry up to 5 kilograms. This rack is built to last, manufactured and developed for cyclists who demand convenience, quality, and superior design. Upgrade your ride with CARGOMATE, your universal fit bike rack. Functional, fast, stylish.